Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, someone who understands. SLOs of this lesson are differentiate between and demonstrate possessive forms of animate and inanimate nouns. Now look at the page number 24 of your textbook. I hope you are all familiar with the word noun here. Noun names a person, place or thing. Or idea. It can be boy, place like school, airport, city, Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar, Quetta, all these cities and things, table, pen, chair, paper. These are all the nouns here. So we will discuss the difference between animate and inanimate noun in this lesson. A noun which refers to people, animal and living being is an animate noun. Animate noun here refers to those living beings like people and animals here, like boy, girl, animals like cat, dog, mouse. These are all the living beings here, both animals and people. And these are called animate nouns here. Now let's discuss what is the animate noun. Inanimate noun refers to things that are not alive here. The things which are not living beings, like pen, chair, book, ground, wall, glass. We have so many examples of inanimate noun here. Now look at the example here. The teacher wrote a book. Here the teacher is animate noun which is living being. And here the book is inanimate noun which is not a living being. So this is an example of inanimate noun here. Teacher is animate noun and book is inanimate noun. Look at here. In this sentence, teacher is an animate noun, since teacher is a human and alive. Similarly, book is a non-living thing, thus it is an inanimate noun. Now look at the page number 25. We will discuss possessive forms of animate and inanimate noun. Let's first discuss what is possessive mean. Possessive shows relationship and ownership of between two nouns and pronouns. Ownership and relationship between two nouns or pronouns. Do you remember possessive case of singular noun is found by adding the s ending to the noun? Look at here. The cat is singular here, and how we will show the possession of the cat's leg here? Leg belong to the cat. We have two nouns here. So it shows the relationship between the cat and the leg. Here you can see cat is a noun and leg is also a noun. So I told you that possessive noun shows the relationship between or the ownership between the two nouns and two pronouns here. So the leg belongs to cat. Cat is the owner of its leg here. And we have added apostrophe here and s to show the possession. In possessive nouns, we add apostrophe and s to show the relationship between the two nouns and pronouns here. Here the cat is singular person, is a singular thing here. So we have added apostrophe and s to show the relationship between the cat and the leg. Now look at the possessive case of plural nouns here. I hope you are familiar with the singular and plural. Singular refers to one thing and plural refers to more than one thing. Plural noun is formed just by adding an apostrophe. Example, the boy's book. Here the boys are more than one. It can be 3 boys, 2 boys, 4 boys. It's not mentioned here, but here the boys are plural here. So what we will do? In the singular, we have seen that we have added apostrophe and after that we have added s here. But Here the boys is ending with the letter S here. What we will do? We will add another S or an apostrophe. No, we will not do this. The plural noun which ends with the letter S, we add apostrophe after the S here. We will not add any other S here. We just simply put apostrophe after S here. We have discussed the singular and plural concept in our previous lesson 2 in our previous unit number 1. So I hope you know all these things. So what we do, boys book. Here the boys are plural. Lots of boys here, many boys here. And the book is one, the boys book. Here the book belongs to boys. Boys are the owner of their book here. There is a relationship between the boys and the book. And boys are the owner of this book. So here it shows the possessive plural nouns. Like girls' house. Here the girls are plural and ending with the letter S. So we will put just apostrophe here, and house is a singular noun here. In general, only an animate noun has the possessive case form. It denotes certain object, quality or an attribute that belongs to a living creature. Look at the example here. The girl's voice here. Here the girl is animate noun, the living being. So here it's a quality. Voice here, it's a quality. Girl's quality, girl's voice here. Here the relationship between girls and the voice. It's girl voice here. So we have added apostrophe and S to show the possession. Girls possess a voice. The girls and voice has a relationship because voice belongs to girl. When referring to an attribute of an animate object, it is inappropriate to use the possessive endings. An animate object such as a chair or a window cannot own anything. The relationship between must be indicated by using a prepositional phrase. Therefore, we speak and write not about the chair's leg, but about the leg of the chair. Here, what are the preposition? Preposition is a part of speech. I hope you know the concept of preposition here. Of, in, on, at, which shows the direction and the relationship between the nouns. So here, with inanimate objects, we will not just put like here the apostrophe and S to show the possession between the chair and the leg or the ownership, because inanimate things or nouns doesn't have any possession or ownership because they are inanimate. They are not living beings. Only the living beings have ownership and possession. We cannot say chair's leg, but we can add here of the preposition here, and we can write like this, leg of the chair, to show the relationship between chair and the leg. It will shows the relationship between the chair and the leg here, because chair is an inanimate noun here, not a living being. But we have added apostrophe and S here to show the possession because girl is animate noun here. Look at some example of animate possessive nouns here. One dog, one boy, and several children here. So what will be the possessive nouns? Animate, the living beings. Dog is a living being, the dog's bone. Here the possession is shown, the ownership is shown between the bones and the dog. The boy's book, here is the boy is one. Here, children is a irregular noun. That's why it's not ending with S here. Those plural noun which not end with the S, we will simply put apostrophe and S at the end to show the possession. The children, toys. The irregular nouns are man, woman, children, etc. This was the singular animate possessive nouns here. Now look at these. These are the plural ones. The plural animate possessive nouns. If the dog is more than one and the boy is more than one boy, so here the dog, the plural form of dogs is ending with S here, so we will put apostrophe after that. The dog's bone, the boy's book here. I hope you have learned the concept of animate possessive nouns here. Now look at the inanimate possessive nouns here, both singular and plural. The leg of the table, the arm of the sofa. Here we will just put preposition to show the relationship between inanimate nouns. That table possess a leg here. The arm of the sofa, the wheel of the car, the foot of the bed, the world of the ideas, the power of thought here. We will just simply put of here, the preposition, to show the relationship between the two inanimate nouns here. Now let's move to the exercise of it. Page number 24. Choose the correct animate and inanimate noun in the following sentences. For each sentences, they are given 4 options. You have to choose the right one for each sentence. Look at the first one here. Which of the following is an animate noun here? Tree, book, shelf, table. Yes, tree, because they breathe and they absorb water in them. So the tree is a living being here, in animate sound here. Okay, look at the second one. Which of the following is an inanimate noun here? Not a living being here. Lizard is an animate, bird is an animate, spider is an animate. These 3 are the living being. The animal belongs to the animal category here. So lamb is not a living being. So this is the right option here. Which of the following is not an animate noun here? Not animate, not a living being here. Bird, horse, tiger, sheep. Yes, sheep is the right answer. Look at the fourth one. Which of the following is not an animate noun here? Not a living being here. Not a object or thing here. We have to find the animate noun here. Yes, fish is the living being here. The table, lamp and door is a inanimate noun here. I hope you can do the other sentences too by yourself. Look at this one, section 8, page number 25 here. Choose the correct possessive nouns keeping in view inanimate and inanimate nouns. Again you have to choose the right one, but here you have to choose the right possession. Here we have apostrophe NS. This is from possessive nouns. Animate and inanimate, singular and plural possessive nouns here. The dog house is big. Here you have to choose the right option here. Which one will be the right? Here the dog is a living being, is a animate noun here, and you have to show the possession. So the dog is also one here. Yes, this is the right one. The dog plus apostrophe and S at the end. Look at the second one. I really like my cooking. Here the mother is a animate noun here, the living being here, and you have to show the possession. Yes, mother is one here, a singular person. So this one will be the right answer. Look at the third one. The eggs are blue. Yes, the birds are living being here, animate noun here. So you have to choose the right one. Here the bird is one here. Yes, this is the right one. Because if we are given plural form of birds here, it would be like this here. But we have no option there. So this would be the right one because it shows the singular form of bird. Now look at the fourth one. The dash is broken. Chair's leg, chair leg, leg of the chair, chair's leg. Here the chair is not a living being. Yes, inanimate noun here. So we have to choose the right one with the preposition here to show the possession, to show the relationship between the leg and the chair. So this is the right one here, leg of the chair. Do this too by yourself, dear students. This is your homework from summer pack. And this is your home task from textbook, page number 18. Here you have to read this page here from unit number 2 and identify all the nouns we have discussed today. You have to just underline or spot out the nouns, the animate and inanimate and the possessive singular noun and the plural singular noun here. I hope you can do this very easily. Thank you.